Welcome back to Carbonwurks. You join us for a product spotlight video today featuring our development Audi R8. So we're seeking a bit of track-based upgrade with some weight reduction in the form of these here. So I'll take you over the bench. So the brand we're working with today is PSDesigns, Peter Sidwell, a UK-based company, very well known within BMW circles, but also covering other brands, as we know from today. So as you can see in front of us, we're looking at a wheel stud and nut kit. This is a raw titanium finish, which is where Peter's really made his name. So titanium stud and nut kit looks fantastic, remains looking fantastic, but also with it being titanium, super lightweight. So laid out in front of us, what we have is the kit for our R8. So it's a full set of studs and options of 2 lots of nuts. So you've got the standard size nut here and the larger size nut here, which is, or the tuner nut as you may wish to say, which gives you a longer nut. So that is ready for us to try out on our R8. We have also had this fitted on our Mini previously. Also from his wheel range, Peter offers some wheel install guide pins. So if you haven't gone down the stud and nut route yet, these just screw into the hub to allow you to change the wheel on and off without dropping it onto the caliper and the usual things that might happen, which is particularly handy on large wheels like the R8. So the 3 most common sizes in this pack here. Also, for those that are security conscious, quite unique in the stud and nut department as well, is that Peter offers a locking nut to go in your stud and nut kit. So it's got a through socket and a profiled nut with the relevant key, so that can all be installed to keep your wheels firmly attached to the car. I think that just about covers everything off that I can think of off the top of my head for the stud and nut kit. Last thing is, it is also available in black for both the stud and the nut. So if you wanted a different colour to go with different colour wheels, for example, then that is also available. So what we'll do, we'll swap in a minute. I'll just give you a demonstration of the weight gain on the scales. So again, good weight loss available from this being titanium. Also the other main advantage of having stud and nut is rapid change of wheels. So particularly if you're trackside, it allows you to take the wheel on and off a lot easier. So yeah, that's that. We'll change to this and then we'll go B-roll on the car to show you just a bit of the installation, talking the studs down, and also an installed standard nut and tuner nut just to demonstrate the difference on the car. So we'll swap, join me over here at the weighing scales and we'll weigh a set, show you how much we gain, and then yeah, it will be all down to the B-roll. So here at the scales, we'll just zero it. So I've got a set of the nuts, bolts, as supplied with the 2 forge wheels from the R8. So that should weigh in at 380 grams, which is what we've got there. So that's the standard set, or the standard set as provided with the wheel bolts. And then we'll zero it again, and a full set of stud and nuts. So this is with the standard nuts. So that's 315. So that gains us, quick maths, 65 grams a corner. If I zero that again, I believe it's 30 grams difference to the tuner nuts, so that would be 35 grams gained on each corner, or 30 grams in this case, 350 with the larger tuner nuts. So it's 30 grams saving a corner if you really want to be specific. These bolts, I would suggest they're lighter than the originals. But yeah, so that gives you an idea of the weight reduction. Like I say, we'll B-roll now, in the video at least anyway, showing me installing it and then the installed parts at the end, so you get an idea of what they look like fully installed on the car. Yeah. So we're all wrapped up with the stud and nut install on the R8. Just a quick parting message for you guys. So we've B-rolled both styles of nut, so both the original shorter style nut and the longer tuner style nut, which was what we've decided to leave on the car, based purely on the fact these aftermarket 2 forge wheels, they've got quite a deep recess or well for the actual wheel bolt. So it just aids access, but also being able to see that they're physically installed, which is good because if you're going out on track, you want to know you've got your nuts on. So They're all installed, torque specification as per PSDesigns instructions, which is 25 Newton meters for the stud, and then essentially manufacturer specification for the nut, so 130 Newton meters on this. Just a quick note in terms of this car and wheel combination. So typically a standard Audi wheel will have a domed nut seat, so it would have a rounded style nut, whereas this is an aftermarket wheel with a tapered seat. So Pete at PSDesigns actually offers an adapter washer or a collar to convert from taper to the domed style nut if you've got standard application wheels on your Audi. So again, just a point of note, if you're looking at this from an Audi perspective, he can offer everything you need to make it work. And on that note, a shout out to Pete at PSDesigns, just to thank him for sorting us out with this kit. Various nuts, the display pieces over there for the wheels, mounting pegs and the lockers. So yeah, as always, great doing business with other UK based companies. Any questions with regards to this kit or anything else on this car or any other products from PSDesigns, feel free to drop us an email. Other than that, stay tuned for the next installment on this car or other cars from us. In the meantime, like, share and subscribe would be greatly appreciated, and stay tuned. Thanks, goodbye.